car was driving by itself. Look, look, look. You see this white thing? You see this white thing? Look, I'm not gonna touch anything. Look, it's good. Look. See, I'm not even tapping it. This is what's going on. And when it stops. I like this one. Let's try D. Oh shit. Ooh, it's getting out, huh? Is it? Is look, alright, now I'm steering the car. It's driving by itself. What the? Yo! I swear I'm not. You see that white thing? I'm steering the car, but yo! Dang! I barely can see anything. Barely. Isn't this crazy, guys? And it's still going. Oh my gosh. I'm going a little bit slow. Maybe not. Oh, let's try smart one. So, huh? Right, Bro, I'm literally steering the car. Am I Dunkin' Donuts? Let me get a donut. No, let me get a donut. Dude, I want a donut. I want a donut. Let me get a donut. I want a donut. Let me get a donut. Oh, Dunkin' Donut. I love Dunkin' Donut. Max speed 70 miles an hour. Oh, they just busted me right now. Nobody will catch it to a car. Bro. Ah! Shoot. Hey. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Please like and subscribe. I just want to see how I get to be famous. Now it's no, it's a short one. I know. Alright, now. Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a blessed weekend. Have fun at church or have whatever you do. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Kaboom.